Hi! In front of me is REALME 11 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Display and Brightness. Following that, scroll down again and tap on Font. Now select the best font style for you by clicking on it. Check it out above, and in order to save it, hit apply at the bottom. So when I do that, as you can see, style of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!